Good morning. This is the third day of Cali. Yo,
I'm so sore.
everyone's still like most of the people are still asleep, but we got these two over here. We're just chilling with some music. No. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm done.
Oh no, wait, it's on that.
You guys mow during his class? Yeah, I always did it.
I couldn't like not do it.
Sort of a mow. You take.
What's up? Hey guys, we arrived at the beach.
Where do you guys go?
Yeah.
Alright, we're trying to find our friends.
Yeah, we're meeting them at Bubblegum Shrimp.
Which is basically like, I don't know, 200 feet ahead of us.
What's up guys? We just met up with everyone else. What's up? We fell into the tourist trap. We got hats. We got hats. Ryan. Hey! No subs in New York, but the water is actually blue. I repeat, the water is actually blue. Hey guys, we're heading towards the ocean now. We're like on the sand. Yeah. Check it out. Oh, the water's cold. Oh,
that's so cool.
oh, that feels nice though. That is cold. That's cold water. Hey guys, we're at the beach now. What's up? Hey guys. Yes. What's up? I'm back. We're at the beach again. Yes, hello.
I like the vlog over here. Stay in the water, right?
Yeah.
So that's the water. Looks really nice. Danny already showed you guys. But I did a tumble in the water. As I got upright, I couldn't feel the floor. I thought I was gonna die because another wave hit me. And then after that, I just kind of like gave up and let my body float all the way back to shore. I'm still alive though.
Hey guys, we arrived at Venice Beach. Woo! We arrived at Venice Beach.
Oh, no, your daddy right there. Okay. You want to hang out with us? You just don't have a seat on the bench right there. All right. All right. Yeah, right there. All right. Barbecue, just step in.
Alright, so we're heading towards the ocean now.
Okay.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
We're gonna see the sunset. Yeah, we're gonna see the sunset at Venice Beach. Our beach adventures are over, and now we're heading to In-N-Out.